with Jennifer Lee, Keith Gate, and Chief Meteorologist Jeff Baradelli.
Really being able to have that support system nearby takes one less thing off of their plate when they're really facing a difficult diagnosis and journey.
There are some new options for patients taking on a cancer diagnosis in Lakeland.
Rather than patients traveling far to receive care, more doctors are coming to them. News Channel 8's Polk County Bureau reporter Stacy DeSilva is live for us at the Hollis Cancer Center in Lakeland to tell us about a new partnership with Tampa General Hospital. Stacy.
Yeah, that's right, Jen and Keith. Lakeland Regional is teaming up with the Tampa General Hospital Cancer Institute. You know, most of us have been impacted in some way by cancer. We know it's a tough road, and access to treatment close to home can be a major hurdle. Lakeland's Chris Cheatwood found out he had cancer because of an emergency surgery. He soon jumped into treatment at Lakeland Regional Health's Hollis Cancer Center.
The radiation schedule was 36 days, 5 days a week. And that was the most time consuming.
He says avoiding a trek to Tampa was life-saving.
Well, there were some days that going to Tampa would have been unbearable because you just don't feel that good. I mean, there are days you really feel pretty crappy. And so being right here in town made it so much easier for me.
The Hollis Cancer Center sees about 5,000 patients every month. As of now, some cancer specialties, including head and neck, thoracic, and some blood cancers, cannot be treated here. But that, we're told, is about to change.
These may be things that aren't offered here locally today that patients may have to travel for, but again, we'll be able to offer that convenience with the access through this relationship with TGH.
Lakeland Regional Health's president and CEO Danielle Drummond says a new partnership with the Tampa General Hospital Cancer Institute will bring not only more physicians and advanced practitioners to Lakeland, but also access to more clinical trials and research.
As we see our community grow, we know that there continues to be an incidence of cancer that we need to make sure that we're proactively addressing. So really working a lot on screening and preventative tools so that we can try and have as early of a diagnosis as possible for the best outcome in the long run.
So what's the timeline? Starting March 1st, 4 new providers will be here in Lakeland. They'll be here on various days throughout the week. In a statement from a leader at TGH Cancer Institute, they call this partnership innovative in both advancing clinical research and patient outcomes with personalized cancer care. Reporting live in Lakeland, I'm Stacy DeSilva, 8 on your side.